The story of the mouse deer and the farmer's cucumber field. On the edge of a lush and peaceful forest lived a mouse deer, known for being clever but sometimes mischievous. One very hot afternoon, the mouse deer wandered weakly, his stomach growling with hunger. The grass in the forest had begun to dry up due to the long dry season. As he walked along the forest edge, his nose suddenly caught a fresh and tempting scent. Curious, he followed the smell until he arrived at a wheat grain field. His eyes sparkled with delight when he saw rows of cucumber plants full of ripe, fresh, and juicy fruits shining under the sunlight. Without thinking about who owned the field, the mouse deer quickly slipped through a gap in the fence. He began picking cucumber one by one and eating them greedily. The cool and refreshing taste instantly quenched his thirst and satisfied his hunger. Wow, this is so fresh! The farmer certainly won't mind if I take just a little, he thought casually, mouse deer. However, as he enjoyed himself too much, the mouse deer did realize that he had eaten a large number of cucumber and left many bite marks scattered across the field. Feeling full and happy, he returned to the forest cheerfully. The next morning, the farmer came to harvest his cucumber. He was shocked to see his once neat field now messy with many damaged fruits. This must be the work of the naughty mouse deer, the farmer exclaimed angrily.
But instead of losing his temper, the clever farmer came up with a plan. He made a scarecrow of wood and covered it with sticky jackfruit sap. Then he placed it right at the path where the mouse deer usually entered and hid nearby to watch. By midday, just as expected, the mouse deer returned, his stomach beginning to feel hungry again. As he approached the field, he noticed a figure standing still in the middle of it. Thinking it was the farmer, he hesitated at first, but soon found it the strength the figure didn't move at all. The mouse deer tried to greet it politely, but there was no response. Feeling ignored, he grabbed it and decided to tease the figure by kicking it. Suddenly, his front leg got stuck in the sticky sap. Panicking, he tried to push himself free with his other legs, but they became stuck as well. The more he struggled, the more parts of his body got trapped in the sticky substance. Not long after, the farmer came out of his hiding place, talking softly. Got you, clever mouse deer, so you are not only good at talking, you are also good at stealing, aren't you? The farmer sighed dismally.
The mouse deer could only bow his head in shame, still stuck and unable to move. In the end, the farm took him away to teach him a lesson so he would not repeat his mistake. The mouse deer finally realized that his clever should not be used to take things that do not belong to him. Moral lesson for children. The important lesson from this story is honesty and respect for other belongings. We must understand that taking something without permission, even something small, is still stealing and is not right. Even if we are smart or clever, we should use our intelligence to help others and do good deeds, not to take or harm others. Remember, every bad action will eventually bring you bad consequence. Just like the mouse deer who ended up trapped and ashamed. Always be honest so you will be loved and trusted by everyone. Thank you for listening to this story and I hope this is useful for you.